Hello, this is Joanne. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make oatmeal for myself and my husband and my son. Okay. It's pretty big, but I really like this one. And the one thing is the oatmeal is pretty expensive, but this one I bought it from Costco. Pretty inexpensive, and I really actually go through this pretty quickly. I normally put about, let's see, I'm going to put you guys down right here. So we have 3 family. This is basically what I normally do. I put about 1/4 cup, 3 times of 1/4 cups. About this. Can you guys see it right here? Okay. Then, just a little touch more. Okay. Then I put, let me see, this is 2 cups of water. I normally don't measure, but I will let you know how much basically water I normally put. A little more. So this is about 1.5 cup. Actually, there's a touch more. Well, I'll do 2 cups. 2 cups of water right there, and then I turn it up. Okay. And I just put the oatmeal right there, and then put water right away, and I start boiling, and I start doing some other things. So I'll just do this way. So when you get up in the morning, this is funny. When you get up in the morning, the first thing what I normally do, I just come here and I put my oatmeal and water, and I turn the water on, and then I just start like washing my face and brush my teeth, and I do all the other things. By the time that I come here, it start boiling, then I'm going to bring the the heat down to simmer and just let it simmer for about like a few more minutes. It's really pretty quick. It takes maybe about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Okay, you're probably gonna see how I make this oatmeal. All right. So it's about a few minutes, about 5 minutes past, and I don't think that you can really see it. It's kind of over. How can I make this right? Okay, so your oatmeal is start boiling, right? And when it start boiling, reduce the heat all the way down to low. Otherwise, your oatmeal is going to get burned really quickly. And stir just a few times, like this. Alright, very good. And let it cook for just a few more minutes. Alright, take a look at it right here. I love my oatmeal. If you want to get rid of some of the foams right on top, that you can definitely remove it, but it's not necessary. Right here. Okay, there we go. It's very quick. This is a quick oatmeal. Okay, so I turn off the heat right now, so this is what it looks like right now. Okay, pretty good. I like it. I don't normally add salt in it. I just like plain oatmeal, but for my husband, and I'm going to do something for you guys. Okay, take a look. Okay guys, so my oatmeal is ready, so I'm actually going to put little oatmeals right here, about a little less than a half cup, and I like, so not a lot. Then I'm going to put my poached egg. Right here on top. Ta-da! Right here. Right there. So pretty. It's kind of overexposed. You can really see it. Let me see. Here we go. This is my breakfast. You can see the oatmeal's right there in the bottom, and 2 poached eggs. So let me see how it all looks like. So here we go. I'm gonna pop it right here. Ta-da! I love it. Here we go. Just the way I like it. Don't you like that? Right here? Okay. I love my eggs. Here I'm gonna show you. Right here. Okay. Okay, then for my husband, and this, I put some oatmeal right there. He's 6'4", tall man, so about this much. I like to put it in. And then I put a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt. Pinch. Maybe a touch more pink. Then I use this. Can you guys see? Let me see. Perhaps it's a cane sugar right here. Cane sugar, and we'll put a little bit of cane sugars here. Maybe about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon. Then, if you want to use milk, that's fine. Since I have half and half, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of half and half. Okay, just a little bit. Then a pinch of cinnamon powder right there. Then you're gonna mix it well. Okay. Here we go. Let me taste it. I normally taste make sure to taste, guys. So if your husband's like something sweet, you can add a little more sweet. This is just what I like and just what my husband's like. So voila, that's good. So just right before you're gonna serve, you can put a little more cinnamon powders right here. If you want to add chopped bananas, fine, or raisins, totally fine too. Okay, enjoy. Many of you ask me what I'm eating in the morning, so I am going to show you. Can you see the oatmeal? And I have 2 poached eggs right here. I've been actually eating, and it's about like a 1/4 cup oatmeal and 2 poached eggs, and I didn't sprinkle any salt. And this is my how can I say this? Detoxification water. You can do, I normally do like 400 milliliters of water, and I put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and half squeezed, fresh squeezed lemon juice. And if you want, you can put raw honey, like about 1 teaspoon of raw honey. And I sprinkle lots of cinnamon powder. Can you see right here? I love it. So when you put it in and you shake it really well. And instead of drinking coffee, I drink this one in the morning. Yeah. So this is really good, and you can actually drink this with hot. Yeah, you can if you want to during the winter time. But I normally like to just drink this in the morning with cold water, and I've been actually drinking a little bit. And here is my complex carbohydrate and my 2 eggs. All right, hope this helps. Have a great day. Love you. Bye bye. Okay, Kiko's already tried.
I tasted before. It's so good. Tasted really good.
Yeah, she's been already eating a lot, so very good.